Some of the farmers were about to harvest what they had planted. In the next 2 weeks or 1 month, watermelons were almost ready for harvesting. Bananas were ready for harvesting. Some had already started planting some beans along the farms. So hundreds and thousands of acres that were under irrigation along the river is completely destroyed.
The need for an emergency to evacuate those who are already marooned there, to remove those animals, to get some of the harvest that has not been destroyed, to assist those workers who are camping displaced with even tents, foodstuff, as we wait for the water to subside and we try to go back there.
And these kind of things happens every year. How are we supposed to go back to the farming activity, especially telling the young people to invest in agriculture? You know, like we have lost everything now. Nearly we are going to zero. So telling the young people to start investing or even and going into this sector may be very difficult, knowing that the risk it carries and the magnitude of the losses that we have incurred so far.